Whole house dehumidifiers are installed solutions for maintaining a healthy humidity level throughout your entire home. This is important for avoiding mold and structural deterioration. Plus, it helps everyone in your home feel cooler and more comfortable. While portable dehumidifiers are effective at reducing humidity in the room they're in, they aren't designed to tackle your entire home. Whole house dehumidifiers work alongside your HVAC system, adding value to your home by maintaining its air quality and structure. These out-of-sight dehumidifiers are controlled from a remote humidistat. They automatically start working if your home's humidity level is higher than your set humidity level. A few things to consider. Whole house dehumidifiers are more expensive than portable units, often need to be professionally installed, and you can't take them with you if you move. But they're also reliable and built to last, often including longer warranties than portable units. And since they're tucked away in your attic or basement, you'll enjoy the benefits of whole home dehumidification without seeing or hearing a dehumidifier.
For more details about the pros and cons of whole house dehumidifiers,
plus brand and model recommendations, check out our article. Whether you need a portable or whole house dehumidifier, there's a solution for you at Sylvane.com. Shop our full range of dehumidifiers. Or, for a personal consultation, give us a call or shoot us an email describing your space, and one of our friendly experts will be happy to assist you.